Customer calls into an Indesit washing machine. About halfway through any cycle, all lights on front of displayed start to flash. On Indesits and hot points, it's a very good indication that the heating element's gone. What we need to do, remove plug, turn water off, and then drain all water out of the machine. Normally, just putting it on a drain would do this, but because we've got a wet vac, we might as well use it. We need to get to the back of the machine. This flooring is not thin like lino, so there's no need to use sliders, literally just pull it out. Reason we turn water off is we don't know how much slack is on that inlet pipe. We don't want to snap that because water would go everywhere. If we turn it off, there's no risk of that. Remove back, and then that's where the heating element is. Remove connections and test it, just verify that it's not working. These use a 10mm nut to squeeze a seal to make it watertight. When that's been loosened, there's no real elegant way to remove these, just pull it out with a pair of pliers. You can see that's all limescale built up over years. The heating element has failed, it's short, so we need to change it. Next day, when new one's turned up, it's literally just do the same thing but in reverse. So no heating elements there, that's where it goes. Reinstall that. There's a component on the old element that you need to put into the new one. It's called an NTC, it's that little black connection there. Redo that nut so that seal tightens, just to make sure everything's watertight. What I like to do when it's installed is just fill it up a bit with a kettle, just make sure there's no drips from back. When all that's done, machine should be working fine.